What's up everyone, welcome to Wendy.Le.Genius kitchen where all the magic happens. In today's video we're going to be making a very special delicacy. It's called Nyama fry. Let's do this. We're going to begin by preparing the meat. The meat type that we're going to be using today is chuck roast from Walmart. It works perfect and you're going to see why I'm saying this. So you begin by taking it out of the package, of course, and then chopping it into desired pieces. I like cleaning as I go by, and this is what is happening right now. Add the meat into the pot and then add water. Make sure the water is covering the meat completely because you need it to boil so good. I like soft meat. I like tender meat. So we both do actually. If you've been around for some time, you know that I like adding salt on my meat to boil with it, just to taste. Let it to boil until the water is no more. We are now going to prepare the ingredients and they are as follows. Apart from the powdered ingredients or spices, we're going to be using onions and cilantro. So this is all you need for this recipe. Chop them all up and now we wait. Once the meat is ready, you're gonna see a lot of oil So don't worry about that, because we are not going to use any other type of oil while cooking this particular meal. We're just going to use the natural oil from the meat, and that's why, as I said in the beginning, you need to use the chuck roast meat. Just like it is from the title, this is Nyama fry. Nyama is beef or meat, and fry is just frying. So it basically means it's fried beef. Okay, there is some particular texture that we're looking for at the end of it all, and that is why you're gonna have to follow all these steps that I'm giving you to achieve the results like you're gonna see at the end. Let the meat fry, give it intervals of 30 seconds, and then turn. After turning, cover, wait 30 seconds, and repeat the process as you keep adding the ingredients one after the other and repeating the process until you get that golden brown effect. That is what we're looking for. And this is so yummy. Anyway, fam, it's been a minute since I did a voiceover on these cooking videos, and I thought this time I'm gonna make it different, and that's why I decided to do this. We've been working so hard on my music channel, guys, so as you can tell, if you've been following for a long time, you know that we are working on our second album, which is called Untamed, and it's almost complete, guys. This album started at the beginning of the year, and the year is coming to an end, and we are going to end the year with the album complete. So please take a moment and go and check out the other channel, and I want to really thank you guys for the support on this channel and the other one. Kindly make it a point to go and check out the other channel and stay right here for more awesome recipes and different kinds of content. We're just getting started. Coming along. Until next time, bye bye now. If you need to see more on food, music, beauty, fashion, DIY, flying, and so much more, kindly hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that every single time we're going to be making an upload, you are going to be notified. Thank you so much for the love and support, and we will see you on the next one.